ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Phang Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
As a dedicated member
to serve the community. We pledge to engage and serve our community. We pledge to uphold
Ki Barikor hagani ke jalla ki badon ha ka kanhon ka balatip kum ka Meghalaya Engineering Service Association ki la panlong ye ke Jingïalang ba ka ba khat nyo jong ki ha State Convention Center. Ka Phang Pdeng ba ki akran hagani ke Jingïalang ka long Kumno ban Weng ye ke Jingdheng kali hagani ke nong ba Shillong. U kong san hagani ke sngiu de Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary u ba AL Hek. Hagani ke sngi ki engineer ki la panlong ru bon jat ki program kum ke Jingïalang kai football bat ka put ke tem.
Privilege and honor to release this souvenir of the Mesa.
bold steps to acquire land, and I think, sir, you have spent from your family funds also to get land in Nomiso. So, and he is has been a minister of PhD and urban affairs also. So he's very experienced in engineering matters. Maybe you're more engineer than us also in practical terms. So thank you, sir. I'm honored and privileged to have been elected and serve as president of MESA. I'm grateful to all my predecessors who steered the association, and to each member, past and present, who have contributed to the association in the last 46 years. So our association will be 50, in 4 years' time, will be 50 years. So I hope at that time we will advance further our perception, our vision for the state will be more enlightened. So although this is a 17th meeting, because we don't have every year. So we have faced many ups and downs, but we have marched on. It is heartening to see the enthusiasm of our members to turn up, although some who could not come because some of our retired members, they could not come also because they got engagement with church and all. So I welcome our retired secretary, S. Pungro, Kong Kati, Babeda, and Batumi, who have been here with us to inspire us. Service conditions and should be equitable, so all of us should be enjoying the same equal opportunity that from our service. Actually, there should not be any. All of us should be get the same opportunity. There should not be favoritism. But anyway, and we must also realize the constraints we are having as service members of the government. We are constrained to how to go about to push for our rights. So, in whatever way we can, we must try to fight for the equal rights for all our members. All our members are equal, so we must not discriminate one to the other. So as a president, that is my vision, and I request all of us to work for each other. An important role of the association is to help foster brotherhood and sisterhood amongst ourselves.
I cannot forget to thank Tony. A beautiful presentations, a really beautiful presentation. The retired chief engineer of PWD. We government sometimes we made a mistake. You know, whenever we need to appoint the consultants, we look only from outside the state of Meghalaya. But we forgot the own local consultants who can give the best and the quality consultancy. The best and the quality consultancy. You know why I'm saying this? The local knowledge is very powerful and very resourceful. People coming from outside, do you think they will be able to contribute to the problems that we are facing here? Not at all. We are the people. We are born and brought up here. We know every day about the problem that we are facing. There is I'm telling you, and all the solution, we are there to have a solution to all the problems. So we have our own local talents who have been serving the state for many years. And they know the in and out of the state of Meghalaya. Of every junction, if you ask them. I'm really thankful to you, Tony. Like you, so many of them also are there, for those who are already retired from the different departments as the engineer. Many of them, should come together, put your heads and brain together to solve this problem. There's no problem that we cannot bring to solutions. Only when you, me, and everyone, as a stakeholder, we take this responsibility. As John Kennedy said, not wealth can build the roads, but the road can build the wealth. It's a very appropriate word, which we can, bring the development in the state of Meghalaya. As a layman, if we are layman also, we have a common sense. Do you agree or you disagree with me? But I just want to share with all of you. When Tony has given the presentations, I was very sincerely hearing and looking at the presentations. There's one part of the presentation which I have my vision, which was missing. If I want to share with you whether it is workable or not, it is up to your, the perspective of your engineering knowledge. Last time also when I was Chairman Muda, I remember we are talking about the traffic congestion in Shillong. Then I said, no, we have to do something for the traffic congestion in Shillong. What is the solution? At that time, that is from my layman perspective, layman common sense, I told those consultants that time, they came from outside, if we can construct the flyover from that NPP office going above the football ground, going up to the golfing near the golf club. We do need to go for the LA also, the land acquisitions. Because all the lands belong to the trust and also the government. It have not so much problem for us for the acquisition of land. Whether is this workable or not workable, I just want to share my common sense to all of you today. Whether it's workable or not. And so you have mentioned about the underpass of the golf course. That also we have been discussed. Still we have the space, still we have the scope to build the flyover and also the underpass, the underground roads there near the golf link connecting to Lomsha, Belfort and also going to the New Shillong. Still we have the scope there. If you put your mind and your heads together, today I think you will be having the brainstorming sessions in the second half. Please, if you want to discuss about this part also, how to resolve the problem of the Shillong traffic congestion, I just want to throw the light with all of us here today. So therefore, I just request you, when today you will be having your brainstorming session in the second half, please and also think about that vision with my knowledge which has already been proposed to this house today, it is up to you how do you take it or not, whether it's feasible or not feasible. I just want to throw that you will be discussed.
Long ke ba snow tenat ba ngiyo ban le kani ke presentation ha kani ke general meeting jong ke is mesa ha ka ba ki ba bon ki engineer jong ke PWD ba ki we ki department ki long ki member jong kani ke dekhot te ka team jong news nem ke day junctions improvement local solution to traffic jams tingila le kani ke presentation ngila pen I ka tu kani ki slides ngila analyze ke ka daw jong ke ba pen mi ya kani ke traffic jams ha keleng ki junction jong ke surok jong ke Shillong bad ha ki ki benta jong ke Meghalaya ru ngila analyze ya ki cost ngila pen I ke jingye per Pdeng ka road width ke ba don kam kat kum ke specifications but ka road width ke ba mangingi I mentang ni hapo Shillong hapo Meghalaya hi bro ko wei nang tangi yo I ru ba ki junction jongi lajan bro ki junction light no tangi wei ar kum ka khandai lat ki ba claim design nan ka proper design de na ni ka daw ba ka sami ka ni ka Jingdheng kali kat saba phai jong ka sor Shillong te ha ka presentation jonga ngala analyze but ngala propose ka solution ye katu kat ni teli ki junctions kum ka Saulat junction nang ta ka Polo junctions Anjali junctions but kiwei te kadaw jong ka jingle ikani ka presentation kalong ba namar ba ladangi le lut ye ka solution ba ro khoi ka mud da ba penhe ki surok ba da ba snai ki flyovers keleng season le kamut kan long ke ka ba bam Sibon ke pisa ke tingka ke budget jong ke state temla ban le kata ngidon kam ban le khendiat si sen bat suki hadien ke mut ke Shillong hi bro ka wei ke numdan syu ke ni ke problem jong ke traffic te ke ni ke presentation ke dei ka solutions low cost solutions to traffic jams in Shillong te hang ni ke mut ngapen I khnang Kumno ba tang da ke ba penhe I ke junctions da ke ba sna I ke traffic island but ki channelizer Kumno ngila ban penlong ye ki kali bakin yat bet klem da don kenu ka jingsange hakinu ki junctions kada bo mi kini ki traffic jam sa keleng jong ka sor kadai namar ba ki junctions ki kali kimla ban yat namar ba don ki breu ki ba cross don ki scooty ki ba cross don nang ta dan channelizer te kamut ki kali kimyo ban ya hakarukom ba ki dai ban ya wat ki police ki sem jing sibon ban control ya kane ka Jingdheng kali hapo ki lat jong ki surok jong ki Shillong te ka presentation jong ka long ba ngin le khandiat le se san rutuli ki junction sa ka sisnem ngin sedang nakitu ki junction sa ki bon kali bha te suki ngin sanang ya se kiwe pat ki junctions te daga bale kumne ngathrai hadin sansnem newsnem baro ki junctions kin salong ki bala develop bha te larangi penhe ye ki junctions kin salong ki kala ki jaka hakaba ki breu kin sngotanat ban shongkai an sadan ka space ki jaka bakila ban shongkai lani bandi sha bandi coffee kum ter kum bangilong mentang I kimdan kum kita ki lat bangila ban le klem da pendik ya kali kawan jong ki kali te kadaw kalong ba kirit ki junctions but amdadan ka design te nga kermen ba kani ka presentation bangile hakani ka sngi kan long ka jingpan kandet ban riu ya ki engineer jongi ngalapan I ya ki IRC codes ki ba kren Phang ka landwidth ba ngidon kampan boat khnang bangin yo ya ka surok ka ba he ka ba yar khnang banwan ra ka jingsuk jingsain ya ki pait ba kinong song jang ka Meghalaya but what ya ki tourist ki bawan na sa jingai kani ka dei ka daw bangi pen ngi jit khnang ya kani ka topic presentation jonga ba kan long ke ke jingsedang na ka benta ki engineer jongi te nga sngo tenat sibon bangayo kani kalat ban ay kani ka presentation ngangi scam ba wala kalong ke jing sedang ka barit ndre kan sawan ra ke jing mentoy ya ki babon ki balang But da kabale kum ni aku ke sngi ke Shillong kan Shillong ke city ke itnat bha om tang ha north east han rei wat hari India hi baro ko we kerteng jonga de beda thong ni nga la trei ha po PWD la palat lai police nem bat ngala song thai menta te ha ke jing trei jonga komu engineer ha PWD ngala trei Jingdheng Hills ngala trei bon snem ha Garo Hills ngala trei ha Khasi Hills Ribhoi district but west Khasi Hills te ha kani ke jing trei jonga PWD ngala yo kalat ban sang ya baro ki kendong kensrot jong ka jilla jongi bat Shibon ki jingkeng ki surok nilayo bansna ha keleng ki benta jong ka state lengba jong kini ki experience jonga ngala ban share menta bat ka PWD lani ba kinu ki engineer ki badan interest ha ka banwan ra ya ka proper planning but development ya ki road network jongi ha hangni hapo ka state ke jongi ha ka por mengadang trei kemun ngala jusim benta bah wat hak ngala sim interest bah wat hakani ka ITNDP integrated road transport development program planning te ngala sim interest bah bat ngala ya interact bah bat ki breu jong ka CRRI ki ba la frame ya kani ka integrated policy framework ngala contribute ha da ka ba suggestion hang ni hang tai ngangai ba koi kasngi ke ai ka ba ki inputs ki ba mangingi la ai kin salong ki ba don kam bat ki ba pentrai kam ha ka jella jongi